Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna play with some hair from Chantiche, Chantiche. I don't know. Don't ask me to pronounce this hair because I do not know. But it is a short bob and it's 8 inches long, so it's a little bit different from what I'm accustomed to, and I can't wait to see what's inside and how it's going to look on me. So that was easy. There's just hair in here. We also have wig caps. This is my utility styrofoam head. I'm gonna bring her down. You need to come down a bit. I'm gonna use her to show you what the wig looks like and just to do some minor customizations. I have my hair here and I'm gonna take it out of the bag. This is what we're looking like. It's very short. And Chantiche told me to tell you guys that it's an affordable wig. I looked online. It's $100, $99. They do have a coupon code and I'll have all the information in the description box. The coupon code is CH10. I keep trying to say C5H10. Scientific people will understand. Before we move too far, let's zoom in on the tag. 8 inches, natural color, 150% density, medium cap size, medium brown lace color. You can customize the wig and have them send it to you according to the specifications that you require for your head shape, your complexion, and all of that. We do have a wide comb in the back, which I prefer this over the shorter combs. I also have here adjustable straps, which I'm gonna hook right now. One thing I appreciate is the comb is here, but when you flip it over, you still have space in the middle. It's not sewn down or accidentally closed, so you can adjust it and go all the way. Some companies, for some reason, they mess this part up where you can't use it. But yeah, you've got your adjustable straps. You can strap your hair and put it right there. Your comb flips over, your straps are protected. That's a good thing. Some companies, like right here, they'll sew the comb over where the adjustable straps should go in the middle. So if you have a small head, you can't even adjust it properly, and that's very annoying to me. So the elastic band won't let me be great and it's making the wig look kind of wonky, which is of course to be expected. Once you put the band on, it's gonna pull. That's what it does. But it's right here on the side, secured nicely. I'm just gonna flip this over. This is how it's secured right here, which is good. You have a comb on this side, a comb on top. I'm not very fond of these, but it's okay. A comb on the other side, and I'm gonna spray this area right here. I'm gonna spray it down. I have this really cool lace tint spray. There are 3 different shades here. Beige, golden, and mocha. I haven't figured them out yet, but when I do, I will come back and I will show you guys, you know, how to work with them. So I'm just gonna start with the darkest shade, which is mocha. So far so good. It's lightweight. It does have a little bit of drip. Yes. Okay. Here is our friend. She's pretty, she's short, she's chic. She might make a good wet look, I don't know, but I'm gonna cut this lace. Got my little scissors and let's go. That cutting was for show. This is how I really cut my lace. Get in there. Here is my elastic band and I'm gonna wear my wig. Okay, I am going to be a good team player and I'm gonna go with the part that they gave me. I like how the lace tint spray is working right now because it's dark, so I can play with it now and make it look even more natural. So we are going glueless. I'm using Lovely Bee's Edge Control first. And that's to make my hair lie down. I'm gonna go in with my Curly Magic. I was nervous because an elastic band already placed on a wig might make it a little bit too tight. Pull this down and let it sit and set. And just kind of lie there. Again, this Curly Magic is an aloe based gel, so it's not going to like rip your hair out or anything. I'm just gonna place that there and tuck behind my ear. Get it on the hairline so that I can see what I'm working with. Right here, it's all coming in and it's short, and then right here I have this extra hair, so I'm gonna cut it. You cut with confidence, always. Scissors can smell fear. Much better for a pixie cut, I feel. I think they leave some excess hair here just in case you want to part it more to go this way. I think that's what the plan was for the company. And you put more product here. So this is what we're looking like. I haven't done any curling, but I think it looks good. What do you guys think? Alright people, I have my LOTTA body mousse here and I'm going to try to do a wet look. I think it looks good just like this. You guys let me know. I can't seem to take a good picture, but I think it looks good. Ooh, wet. Now to really make it look wet, I'm going to go in again with that Curly Magic because the mousse is going to dry, but the Curly Magic will give you a wet finish. And it'll add some weight so that your hair doesn't like fly away without your permission. I'm just using my rat tail comb to like just create lines so that they're gaps. I kind of like it. I kind of do. I kind of like it. That is all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll have all the information in the description box, and I will talk to you in my next video. But until then, take care. Bye.